Hello friends, today I am making a dish which is called a stuffed idli. For this, two ingredients are required, mainly 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of idli rava. If you didn't get idli rava in the market, you can grind the raw rice and use it instead of the idli rava. Now soak urad dal and idli rava for 6 hours. Now transfer the soaked urad dal into a mixing jar. After transferring the urad dal into a mixing jar, add 2 tablespoons of salt and then grind it. Now transfer the grinded urad dal mixture into a bowl. Now transfer the soaked idli rava into the urad dal paste. Make sure the water should be filtered from the batter. After adding the soaked idli rava, give it a quick mix. Now, after mixing the batter, leave it for 6 hours for fermentation. Now for stuffing, take 200 grams of boiled and mashed potatoes. Now take a pan and add some oil into the pan. Now add dry red chilies into the pan. Then cumin seeds, little urad dal, few mustard seeds, little chana dal. Now sort it. Now add green chilies. After adding green chilies, add onions to the mixture. Now add boiled potatoes into the pan and give it a quick mix. Cook this curry for few minutes. After that, add little salt to taste and little turmeric powder and then sort it. Now add coriander leaves and then sort it for few minutes. After that, cook it for few minutes and take it off to a plate. Now take idli rack and brush it with oil. After that, pour some batter on the rack and spread gently. Now add stuffed potato curry by making small balls and press gently on the batter. Now cover the stuffing with idli batter. Now idli rack is filled with the batter. Now keep it aside. Now take a vessel and pour some water for boiling. Then place the idli racks in the vessel and cover it with a lid. Cook these idlis for few minutes. After cooking, take the idlis into a plate and then cut these idlis into two halves. These idlis are well cooked from inside. Now these stuffed idlis are ready to eat. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.